Hello everyone.
Hey everyone.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Christine.
And I'm Kyle.
And today, what are we doing today?
Today we are talking about our new home.
Ooh.
That's right. We actually just recently moved in to our brand new home.
So yeah, we're sitting in our upstairs room of our new house. We're so excited. This has been an absolutely insane year, which we hope to share more about.
Yep, in detail.
Yes. But we're excited to be in a place where we're settled. And so this is kind of strange probably for anybody seeing this, because normally empty house tours, I don't know if you've seen any, honey. Normally they're for like
Never seen any.
$1 million homes, and it's just really cool to see them empty.
Not us. It's not going to be $1 million home, but we're very excited.
We are super excited, just as we would if it was $1 million home. We don't need $1 million home, nor will we ever need $1 million home.
Hey, you know what it is going to be though? It's going to be $1 million effort.
Yes, definitely. So, and I also thought it'd be cool to look back, because we have lots of renovations and kind of like DIY things planned. So it'll be cool to look back on this video at where it started. Now I will say, which I don't remember if I said in my voiceover, but we did not get to do a completely empty home. Our closing date ended up being the exact same date that we had to move out of our temporary housing that we had.
Which was crazy.
Yeah, like literally the same day. So we were on a mattress the day we left there and brought the mattress the day we moved here. So there's a lot of random boxes around and probably a mess here or there, I don't remember.
Hey, we were moving in, what can we say?
Yeah, so I hope you enjoy, and if you see anything or imagine anything or have any ideas for us, make sure you comment down below so that we can incorporate those. We're so excited to start a lot of new projects.
That's right, we're hoping to update you guys on those kind of videos, because we can't wait to do kind of our own little touch-up, the Bonaparte touch-ups on our home. So we really want to make it feel homey and rustic but modern.
Yeah, we have a really interesting story about how we got here, but we can add that in a different video. This will just be for the home tour. So
that's right, you guys enjoy.
Yes. Okay guys, so here it is, walking through the front door. Like I said, this isn't quite empty. We had very little time in order to get some stuff in here, but this is just walking the front door into the open concept living / dining area. And it goes right into the kitchen here. So we will have our own appliances brought in, but these are the appliances that came. And here's that mattress I was talking about. We just laid that down in the master bedroom, which is in here. And it connects right to the master bath. I guess you can call it a master bath, but it's also connected to the other room, which you'll see over there. But this is the bathroom. And this is what is going to be Ariella's room. Actually, probably both the girls' rooms. It's pretty tiny in here. I think it's like 100 square feet, but it goes right up back to the beginning of the house, up the stairs. We do plan on tearing out this carpet completely. They had cats, and we have awful allergies in the family. So, but here is which we will have this as our guest bathroom upstairs. That's just worked with us a lot in the past, is just having guests upstairs, but it has a nice spacious closet in here. We did hear that this wall here can be knocked out for more room. But anyway, so it's got a little space there, and here is the guest bedroom. This is my favorite space. We're actually planning on using it more as for our offices. It has this little dormer here. I think that's what they're called. So that's everything.
All right, guys, thanks again for watching our video, our Temples in Training. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Woo!